Hi, this is Litre Total Parts Pro. Today we have a 2014 Mazda BT50, stock number 6850. It's ran from the 10th 2011 to the 6th 2020. It has a P4AT 2.2 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by a 6-speed manual transmission. This is the P4AT 2.2 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. Left hand door mirror. Left rear 18-inch factory mag tyre. Right rear 18-inch aftermarket wheel good tyre. Right hand door mirror. Right front guard no dents. Right front 18-inch aftermarket wheel good tyre. Right front door card. Right front master switch. Manual gear shifter, heater AC controls, factory 6-stack stereo, display cluster, interior mirror, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 3-spoke vinyl steering wheel, instrument cluster,